How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another beautiful day here on the water. And like you noticed, we moved over to the island, and like you can see, it's kind of early in the morning and there's already people here enjoying the day just like us.
Alright, so we actually woke up late today, but we decided to take a little stroll on the dinghy, see how the situation is. And like you notice, I think it might rain today too, because look, the day looks cloudy. That's Florida weather for you, it's okay. So we're here at beer can, taking a little stroll, see what's happening today.
And like you know already, the kids love the dinghy. And me myself, I'm beginning to like it too, because it's very convenient. We can actually move around, see different places, and get closer to shallow areas that the big boat can't. And also we don't have to deal with picking up the anchor and even losing our spot in the island, because that's usually what happens. Once you move, somebody else comes in and takes your spot. And like you can see, the food boat is up and early, and I guess it's heading over to the sandbar. But us, we're heading over to Oleta River Park. And if you don't know where Oleta River Park is, it's right across on the northwest side of the sandbar. And that's where all the kayakers and paddleboarders usually come from, if you're wondering why there's so many at the sandbar.
Doing that early morning exploration on the dinghy, and we're actually going into Oleta River Park. A few boats out here.
And what we noticed right away, there was a lot of boats that are anchored, that it looks like they stay overnight or leave the boat here for the long periods of time, that I wonder how safe it is.
Yeah, it probably sunk because of the probably the dose.
Now this is sad to see when you see a sunken boat and left for a long time, and it makes me wonder if the owner even knows it's sunk, because it looks like it's been here for a long time, because it has barnacles already growing on the boat. Now this is interesting, because I think these people live here on the boat, because I've never seen 4 boats use about 8 anchors, so I guess they're not very mobile. And I'm wondering, have you ever left your boat for so long periods of time on the bay? Let me know if you have. I'm curious how safe it is. Meaning, does people come and steal stuff from your boat, or they respect it enough to leave it alone?
Well, that's pretty cool. Exploring on the dinghy with Captain Joel. This gotta be a good place with snappers right here. Hey, all on there. Yo, dog.
Now here's something that caught us by surprise and made us very sad. We found a dead sea turtle that it looked like it got hit by a speeding boat, and the propeller made 2 big gashes in the back of the shell, that I'm guessing it might have happened in the inlet or out at sea, and it got drifted into the inlet, because here it's all idle zone. And now we're heading back to the boat, and like you notice, the sky is getting even darker, so I guess it's gonna rain soon. And like you notice, there's more people at the island. And if you've been watching my videos for a while now, you guys are gonna notice that Miami boaters don't really worry about the bad weather. I guess it's something you can't really control, so we just adjust ourselves to it. This is really cool. We met some really nice people that watch the channel, and they came all the way from Boca on the boat to spend the day here at Beer Can Island.
And here we go again, right? The Miami weather. And thank God for the icing glass. It started to rain early in the morning. Well, it's not even early. I don't even know. I think it's in the afternoon.
Yeah, but I think it's gonna be.
Yeah, it's one of them scatter shower things. But we're all good. We're staying dry.
Hey, look, I'm gonna get in the water just like this raining.
You're gonna get in the water? Oh, Oleta being brave.
The water is super warm.
Yeah, the water's really good. So yeah, we're here at Beer Can with the rest of the folks. Yeah, I mean, I guess a lot of people are gonna get wet no matter what, because it's coming. Morning breakfast with a view.
It's a sloppy breakfast because this
Sloppy breakfast.
the skillet is not good anymore.
Yeah, I know, I gotta go get one.
And if you notice, it rains about for 20 to 30 minutes and then it stops. But that's good though, because it gives us enough time to eat breakfast without getting wet. Well, I don't even know if we want to call it breakfast because it's already about 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
great. The best water yet. Alright guys, guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? Yep, it's that sausage time. It's sausage time, but I don't really know what time it is because if you guys notice, I don't have a watch and my phone's not with me, so I don't even know what time it is, to be honest. I think it's, I'm gonna say about 3:30, 4 o'clock. I don't know. We've been here enjoying the whole day here at Beer Can, cruising around on the dinghy, exploring. Look at that. Look at that. That thing is coming right there, boy. Hungry too. The day, I didn't even know, we got up super late. We got up like around, I'm gonna guess around 11. Ate breakfast, cruised around, messed around, and then now it's like 3:30, 4 o'clock, I guess, and then we're gonna eat. So that's just the days. It's done here at Sandbar Lifestyle.
Was one of the reasons, because
A lot of people have came up to me and they say they love the sandbar life. Now, sandbar life has a lot of meanings. It doesn't just mean having a party at the sandbar, having a few drinks and listening to loud music. It also means spending time with your family and friends out on the water and just doing a barbecue. Also, it doesn't have to mean on a boat either. You could come on a jet ski, on a kayak, on a sailboat, on a power boat, on a cruiser, on a yacht. It doesn't matter as long as you make it out to the water and enjoy yourself and have a good time. And I'm glad I could share this lifestyle with everyone around the world. Well, after enjoying another sandbar lifestyle late lunch and watching so many people go by in kayaks and paddleboard and jet skis, we decided to jump back on the dinghy and take another cruise to see what everybody's up to.
Alright, so we're taking another cruise on the dinger. Rain or shine, baby, rain or shine. That's part of being sandbar life. Always out here, no matter the weather, no matter the shine, no matter the raining, we're out here.
And like you can see, everyone's adjusting pretty well. Everybody's trying to keep their distance at least 50 feet from each other while we're on the boat. And everyone's scattered around the bay and around the island because I guess on the weekend they close the sandbar. I guess due to the fact there's more boaters on the water on the weekend. But it's okay. I guess we just have to adjust to the new rules.
That's what I was telling you guys.
Well, and like you see, the day turned out pretty good. Even with the bad weather we started earlier in the morning, that didn't stop the Miami boarders to coming out and having a good time. But now we're heading back to the boat after doing a complete circle around the island. But we noticed something right away. We had new neighbors and they were having a good time.
We're really enjoying the dinger. Well, he is. He has been gone on it every second of the day. But it's good. It's easy to get around. Even Yuli likes a dinger.
Yuli loves the thing. Yuli.
Well, like you saw, for some boaters, the party just started. But for us, it's already late and we're starting to pick up. Because even like all good stories, they all have an ending. And here's the process of us loading the dinghy and taking it apart. And there is more work for us, but it has a lot of benefits. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, actually, let me know if you did enjoy the video. Here another day at paradise on the water, on the boat. And don't forget to check out part 1 of the previous day. And also, if this is your first time visiting our channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that, you won't miss any new videos uploaded. And if you do boating in Miami, you never know, you might see yourself in it.